तं तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि श्री गौरभक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। First of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my Gurupad Padma, Nitya Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutra Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vamana Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutra Satasya Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutra Satasya Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutra Satyamal Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Bhakti Dr. Siddhar Bhakti Puri Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Pravishtam Vishnupad Bhakti Vidyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis and presented all of my respectful guests. So continue, we also discuss about Krishna Lila Katha, this is pastimes of Krishna, with the Supreme Personality of Godhead Bhagavan, Swayam Bhagavan, and Sagata Vijatya Bhed Rahita Brahma. Many times also discussed, is called Sagata, Sajatya, Vijatya, Bhed Rahit Brahma. And all Veda Vedanta also discussed him. He is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Swayam Bhagavan. Iti Changsa Kalapungsa, Krishnastu Bhagavan and Swayam. So now coming in this way, why Krishna descended from Golok Vrindavan Dham to this Bhauma Vrindavan. We also discuss many days the main region and also secondary region. Then main region we also discuss Anugrahaya Bhaktanang Manusam Dhamasitam, and second another region also we discuss Mad Bhakta Vindartha Ravi Vividha Lila. And also in Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained in this way, Rasik Shekhar Krishna Parama Karun, Prem Ras Nirjas Karit Ashadan, Rag Margi Bhakti Lok Karite Pracharan. Krishna, he is called the embodiment of Rasik Shekhar, and he is releasing the all kinds of melodies from the heart of his pure devotee. And he is preaching the Rag Marga Bhakti Lok, and how Brajavasis, they have spontaneous love and affection with Krishna. And one who listens this Brajavasis spontaneous love and affection with Krishna, and if they eager to serve to Krishna under guidance of Brajavasis, and they will attain to Guru Vrindavan. And because Krishna eternal associated with the Ragatmik Jan, are one who listen Ragatmik Jans, their activities, how they have love and affection Krishna and absorbed with them and try and also to serve to Krishna under guidance of Brijavasi. As like Sudam, Subal Sridham, they are eternal to Krishna. And one who serves to Krishna, they have to follow the footsteps of Subal Sridham Sakkabhav under guidance of Sridham, they serve to Krishna in Sakkarat. In the same way, Vatsal and Madhurya Rash, and so Krishna, for this regard, Krishna, he performed the sweet Leela in Braj and descended in this Bhauma Vrindavan. Third, we also discussed the Brajavasis, they have a Braj Gopis, they have only Paramur mood in their heart towards Krishna, Braj Parakya Rash. So this is very important also. For this Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami explained মো বিষয়ে বৈকুণ্ঠ আদি নাহি যেসব রসের বীজ বৈকুণ্ঠ আদি নাহি যেসব লীলা সেসব লীলা করিব আমি লোকে যাতে হয় চমৎকার। বৈকুণ্ঠ, Ajodhya, Dwarka and Mathura, not this Paramur Mode Leela. Only in continental world, Golok Vrindavan, for this Krishna descended from Golok Vrindavan with his own associate of gopis and performed sweet Paramur Leela, that is called Rasa Leela. Okay? Many things also discuss these things, and especially Srimati Radhika, among of all the Braj gopis, how gopis they have spontaneous love and affection with Krishna. Mo Visay Gopi Gane, Upapati Bhavi, যোগ মায়া করিবেক আপনা প্রভাবে। আমিও না জানি না জেনে গোপীগণ দুহার রূপে গুণের দুহার হরে মরমন। The gopis, they don't know the Krishna, who is Krishna, Krishna is Bhagavan, and Krishna also he does not know who are these gopis. And according to Jogmaya, just they attracted with each other and perform this sweet lila. As like Mahaprabhu recited this verse, Jubati Nang Jathajunu, Jununchu Jathajunu, and as like young girl, she completely intoxicated with the young boy. In the same way, young boy, he also intoxicated and spontaneous with the young girl. In the same way, Braj Gopis and Krishna attracted to each other. Then also actual Srimati Radhika and all the gopis, they are the direct manifestation from Sarup Shakti. And Srimati Radhika, she is the embodiment of Sarup Shakti. Krishna is called Sachidananda, Satchit, Ananda, Sachidananda Bhagavan, and Ishvara Paramakrisha Sachidananda Vigraha, Anadiradi Govinda, Sarva Karana Karanam. And so in the Brahma Samhita very clearly explained, Krishna has innumerable potency on the Shakti, but three Shakti is very important. Because Chit Shakti, Jeev Shakti and Maya Shakti, which is Jiva Shakti, he manifested that Chit Jagat, or which is Maya Shakti, he manifested this Mayak Jagat, and Jeev Shakti, he manifested this material world. In this way, our Acharya, then Sambit Sandhini and Hladini, Hladini Shakti Sarpuni Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika, she is the embodiment of manifestations of Hladini Shakti, Hladini Ananda. And in this Hladini, the potency of Hladini Shakti, and she also dance and with her activities. Hladini Shakti Dharai Krishna Rena Chai. And so Srimati Radhika, she makes dance to Krishna with her this activity, the Hladini potency. And Krishna, he releases all these rasas with the Hladini Ananda Shakti, and he also gives pleasure to all the living entities. And Srimati Radhika, though she can fulfill all the desires of Krishna, but without many consort, Krishna will not happy and Ras will be not intoxicated. Rasa Ullas, for this regard, Krishna, Srimati Radhika, she manifested many her Sakhis. And so Lalita, Visakha, and all the Sakhis, they are called the manifestation of Srimati Radhika. And so this tattva we also discussed, and Krishna, he is also Dhir Lalit Nayak, because according to Ujjal Linmani Grantha, Krishna and has many incarnation, and but three are very prominent: Swayamrup, Tadikatunu, Avish, and we also discuss this many things in this way. So this book, Swayamrup, Tadikarup, or Avish, just I mention this way. And the Swayamrup again too, that is called Swayamrup and Swayam Prakash. Swayamrup Krishna Brajendra Nandan, Swayam Prakash again too, that is called Prabha Prakash and Vaibhav Prakash. Again Prabha Prakash, that is called one he Krishna, but he manifests many forms, that is called in the Ras dance Krishna, he manifests many forms, but same Krishna. And in the same also Krishna manifests in Braj Dwarka, in the marriage ceremony of Dwarka, Krishna also manifested many forms. So that is called Prabhav Vilas. and that is in Vasudev Krishna Prabhav Vilas in there. Or Vaibhav Prakash, and one Krishna, but in different and form he manifests. That is called in the Balaram. And Balaram is called his Vaibhav Prakash. And in Baladev Prabhu in Braj always Gop Abhiman. And in Dwarka or Mathura is Kshatriya Abhiman. And then also explain in this way the coming Avish Sarup, Tadikatmarup again to one the Bilas and Sangso, Prabhav Bilas and Vaibhav Bilas. And Prabhav Bilas in the Dwarka, that is Chaturbha, and Vasudev Sankarshan Pradyumna and Anuruddha. And there are Sangsa Vaibhav Prakash, Sangsa, Angsa Sangsa, and Sangsa also different many avatars. Later we'll discuss these things, Sangsa, and how the different avatars are manifested from him. And so now coming in this way, Vaibhav Vilas and manifest that is called Vasudev Sankarshan Pradyumna Anuruddha and Prabhav Vilas or Vaibhav Vilas. Vaibhav Vilas Vaikuntha. Eh? And Vaikuntha to Dwarka, that is called the Chaturbha, Vasudev Sankarshan Pradyumna and Anuruddha. And then Vaibhav Vilas, Vasudev Sankarshan Pradyumna Anuruddha. And in this way, 1, 2, 3, 4. And so just we also discuss these things and how this manifested this way. Then coming in Sangsa Avatar, Sangsadev Purusha Avatar, Lila Avatar, Manantra Avatar, Juga Avatar, and Guna Avatar, Avatar Samu, all the avatars. And Purusha Avatar, 3, that is called Karudoksai Vishnu, and first that is called Purusha Avatar, Karudoksai Vishnu. Second, that is called Purusha Avatar, Garvudoksai Vishnu, coming from Pradyumna. And third Purusha Avatar, Garvudoksai Vishnu, like Aniruddha. And then Lila Avatar, and Lila Avatar meaning Matsya, Kurma, Ram, Nisingha, and etc. They get 25, and Lila Avatar, and these things also discuss these things. Then Manantar Avatar, how many Manantar? 14. 14th Manantar Avatar, and Mantra that Jagga Vibhu, and in this way, Juga Avatar, how many? 4 Juga Avatar, Sapta Yugas, and in Sapta Yuga he manifested in the Shukla Varna, Treta Yug Rakta Varna, complexion, and blood color as like red, and Dapar Yug, Sama Varna, and black complexion, and others Kali Yug generally, and that is called the Krish Varna. साधारण कलियुग में कृष्ण वर्ण, विशेष कलियुग में पीत वर्ण और गौर वर्ण है. एंड युगावतार गुणावतार विष्णु, ब्रह्मा विष्णु शिव, दैट इज कॉल्ड गुणावतार also. और नाउ अगेन Avish, and Avish means Krishna absorbed and any jivas, and that is called the Sakshat Avishta and Mukha Avishta Avatar, and Bhagavat Avish, Kopil, Rishabh, and Ananta Brahma, Chatushan, Narad, Parshuram Adi. This is called Avish Avatar. And Avish means Lord invested all his potency in his heart. This is Avish Avatar. And then Vibhuti also, Avish Vibhuti, and Krishna so manifested his Vibhuti in Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna. and millions is and activities Kal Roop and Kal Grasam Rupa this way. So now coming in this way, just I also briefly explain about this Krishna avatar and Leela this way. Okay, but difficult to understand. But again and again, you read, then maybe you understand. And especially you read Chaitanya Chaitamritam, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told to Sanatana Goswami, Sanatana Shiksha. Okay. So now coming in this way, Krishna and he sang Bhagavan, and it is what is called, and he's one, but he manifested in he, three aspects. There is Brahma, Paramatma, and Bhagavan. And Brahma, Paramatma, Bhagavan. Badam tattva vidastatam jad ganavadyam brahmiti paramati bhagavan iti sabdati. And in this way, those who are Gyanis, according to the knowledge, they realize he is Brahma. Yogis, according to the Yoga Darshan, they are thinking he is Paramatma. The devotees, according to the devotional activity, he realized about him, he is called Bhagavan. And Vaishya Jasasya Gyana Vairagashivati Bhagavan Tingana. And who is Bhagavan? He has 6 opulence. Vaishya, Virya, Jasa, Sri, Gyan and Vairagya. So he is Bhagavan. Then again also we discuss about though he is Bhagavan, but he has inconceivable potency in his inconceivable potency and Achinta Shakti, and at a time he is called Sarvagata and Mugdhata. And Sarvagata he has all knowing power, and Mugdhata he is completely innocent. This is called Madhurya. So Vaisarjan Madhurya Krishna to Leela is coming in this way. And so Vaikuntha, Ajodhya, Dwaraka, Mathura, most of the all these Vaisarjamay Leela, opulence Leela. Or Golok Vrindavan, that is called Madhur Leela, sweetness mode Leela in there. But in Golok Vrindavan, so many opulence, but that opulence, Vaisarja, completely covered with Madhurya. And so Krishna manifested many opulent Leela in Golok Vrindavan, but the residents of Braj Vrindavan, they don't believe Krishna is Krishna is Bhagavan. Eh? Madhur Jugun is Bhagavatar Sar. So now coming in this way, Krishna performs sweet Leela, and Krishna's also what is called in Nayakatva is there. Nayakatva means hero, and form is there. And how many? 96 types of hero are Srimati Radhikas and Gopis. There is 360 types of the heroine. And so you also discuss these things, and especially Dhir Lalit Nayak is important. And so you also discuss these things. In Vrindavan, there is Srimati Radhika. She is the topmost heroine, that is called Sadhin Bhartika Naika. And Sadhin Bhartika Naika means that Naika heroine, one who controls her beloved with her divine love. And then Krishna completely was controlled with the divine love of Srimati Radhika. And many times we also discuss these things. And so now coming in this way, who is Dhir Lalit Nayak, and is called Prayasi Vashibhuta, Nischintata, and Parihas Patu is very expert to laughing and joking. Navajauvanancha is in this way. So now coming in this way, Krishna actually we also very briefly explain about Krishna this katha, and Krishna manifested from Golok Vrindavan to the Bhuma Vrindavan Lila. There are many regions we also one by one we try to explain this way. But especially, and we also discuss Yugadharma Sthapan, Bhubhar Haran Prithvi, Bhubhar Haran to Prithvi Devi. She is very, she is very free. What is called? How to free from all the burden of the sinful activities of demons. For this regard, Prithvi Devi, she manifested in the form of cows and asked to demigoddess, then demigoddess, they brought her to in Satyaloka, then and they headed by Brahmaji in Satyaloka, they came in Shir Samudra. Eh? And that time where Lord Vishnu is taking rest, then they recited many Stavstuti. Then Lord Vishnu very pleased. Then Lord Vishnu pulled out his two hair. One is black hair, another is white hair. In this way, Vishnu told, my master Varinandana Samsundar, soon he will be appear in Bhuma Vrindavan and with his brother Baladev. And the white color is the Baladev Prabhu, or black color is the personification of and Krishna. That means Krishna Balaram, they will appear. And then Lord Vishnu, Lord also gave the order, and all the demigods, they have to take birth in Vrindavan, and as like a human being, and help to Krishna's this Leela. So all these also coming in this way. Another also we have seen when Lord Ramchandra he entered in Mithila and with his brother Lakshman, and and that time Lord all the ladies of Mithila, and they also intoxicated with the beauty of Lord Ramchandra. They want to become Lord Ramchandra's consort, but Lord Ramchandra told them, in my Ramalila only I will accept Sita Devi. So, and you can take birth in Dapar Yug in Braj. For the because this mercy of Lord Ramchandra, that young ladies of Mithila, they also took birth in Braj. And Krishna fulfilled their desires in Ras dance. This is also region also. Sarna Sita, when Lord Ramchandra performed fair sacrifice in Ayodhya, and Sita Devi, she also banished. That time Vasishtha Maharaj gives suggestion, Ramchandra have to manifest the Sarna Sita, golden Sita. After fair sacrifice finished, then golden Sita, they asked, where will do now? And that time Lord Ramchandra told, okay, all will take birth in Braj, in when Braj Gopis, then I will fulfill all your desires. So that Sarna Sitas also came in Braj and in a form of young girls, and Krishna also fulfilled their desires. Many Suti Rishis Munis, Sutichari, Munichari, they also perform hard austerities. Lord also fulfilled their desires. They also took birth in Braj. Even in Dandakaranya, Surpanakha, she also intoxicated with the beauty of Lord Ramchandra, and Surpanakha, she after his giving her body, she also took birth in Mathura, and she became Kubja, and Krishna also fulfilled her desires. So in this way, so many leelas. Even in when Lord Vamandev appeared and in the fire sacrifice place of Bali Maharaj, and that time Bali Maharaj's daughter Ratnabali, she attracted with the beauty of Vamandev, and for and she that time Ratnabali, she in her mind just she was thinking, I will feed my breast milk. And then when Vamandev Bhagavan and took all his father's property, everything, that time she thinking, I will kill this boy and smear this poison on my breast. Then also Krishna told, I am Bhagavan, you cannot to kill me. but I will have to touch your breast with my lips. So that lady, there is your name, Ratnamala or Ratnavali. She also appeared in Krishna Lila, like that is called Putana Mokshan Lila. This Lila also is this way. And also many Lilas also, and we also discuss this way, and that is called and Putana Vada. Then Shakadasur Vada, Krishna, he also killed one demon. His name is called Sakadasur. Eh? Sakadasur Vada Lila also. And he also committed offense, lotus feet of one sadhu. Then sadhu gave him curse, and Krishna also killed them. Then Bakasur Lila, Trinavarta Lila, and Aghasur also Lila is there. And because one themselves, he also joked with Durvasa, Ashtavakra Rishi, and then Ashtavakra Rishi gave him curse, he became snake, and that is called Jamala Arjun Bharjan Lila also, because I'm not saying on all sequence. And there are Nalkuber and Monigrip, Dhanakuber, two sons, Nalkuber and Monigrip, and they also dishonor to Narad Rishi. Narad Rishi also gave curse to them. And that time they also prayed to Lotus Feet Narad Rishi. Then Narad Rishi told, you have to take birth in Braj and उसको ये कर दो and they will give that time by the causeless mercy of Narad Rishi, that in Nalkuber and Manigrip, they also took birth in Gokula, in the courtyards of Nanda Maharaj, as like twins and Arjun Vriksha. And Krishna also performed sweet Dambandhan Lila. Then he delivered these two person, the Jamala Arjun Bhanjan Lila. That time they manifested and to form that is called Siddha Kantha and Madhukantha. So now in this way, many Leelas and this is it. Kaliya Daman Leela also, and this very also sweet Leela, and in this year, and because Krishna performed Ras Leela, but before manifested Ras Leela, Krishna did two Leelas is very important. Today I will be discuss these things. One is called Kaliya Daman Leela, and another that is Govardhan Dharan Leela. And this is how Krishna and to heavy chastisement to Indra, who is very proud of his own position. And so that is called Govardhan Dharan Leela also for this. And another Kaliya Daman Leela, and because Kaliya in his previous life, and two Puranas also discussed these things. Kaliya in previous life, and he was what is called one sadhu, and he entered in the forest doing bhajan and sadhan, and then maybe where you are doing bhajan and sadhan many years, and and he manifested very nice, beautiful place is there. Then after you're thinking, I have to go to some to wandering some pilgrimage place. For there, that sadhu he left that the place, and then another sadhu came and took that the place. So when he returned back, that will be another sadhu, and what is called to capture his place. That time he told, "This is my place." That sadhu, next sadhu told, "This is my place." Both were they quarreling, and each among each others they also gave the cards to each other. And oh, you are as like a snake. Snake does not make any hole, and just staying in the hole of the mouse. Eh? Hmm? So in the same way, and that time that sadhu gave curse to him, you have to become snake. Or another that time this sadhu also gave cards. Oh, you are as like a crow. Eh? Crow completely foolish, stupid nonsense. Eh? And crow taking others food and also making sound. Eh? जिस पत्तल में खाते हैं उस पत्तल को छेद करता है. And so and it's, so for this sadhu also gave cards. You have to become crow. And in this way, both sadhus though gave cards to each others. In the meantime, Lord Vishnu appeared. Lord Vishnu told, "Hey sadhus, already you have given cards to each others. So, but you are my both hands, left and right." Lord Vishnu told, and you are both my very nearest and dearest as my two hands. Okay, so you have to become snake, but in Dapur Yuga, and Krishna will give mercy to you. And in Dapur Yuga, you will become Kaliya, and Krishna will give his own footprints in your head. And, or you will become, and another sadhu, Krishna told, Lord Vishnu told, you will become Kaka Bhusandi. And who knows, past, present, future, especially in Ram Lila, that Kako Bhusandi, Kakmani Kowa, and crow. So Kag, you will become Kag Bhusandi. And so in this way, this are related with this with pastimes. Another also, there was one king, he was always suffering from his stomach pain and पेट में दर्द. He took many medicine, but he did not cure and from his stomach pain. Later one day, one sadhu came and sadhu told, "Oh, hey king, listen, in your garden there are two pigeons are there. If you catch the two pigeons and take their flesh, then your stomach pain will be then cured." Then sadhu came in that the garden, but not possible to catch the two pigeons. Eh? Then again sadhu came and sadhu advised the king, you have to, okay, you have to dress your royal dress, change your royal dress. Just you put Vaishnav dress, put tilak, kanti mala, and take on japamala, then you can see the some miracle happening. Then king, he dressed his royal dress and put his Vaishnav dress. Pigeons came and sit on the thigh of the king. Then king very surprised, king heart melted. King told, "I will not kill these two pigeons." And tears rolling down from his eyes. That time two pigeons told, "Okay, actually you committed offense, lotus feet of one sadhu." Then king asked, "Where is the sadhu?" Then look in this corner of this one big tree, on the whole of the tree, one sadhu is taking bhajan, is performing bhajan. So maybe you go and ask to the sadhu and take his food bathing water. Then you will be free from and of your stomach pain. Then king came in front of the tree and very humble asked, "Hey sadhu, please give your lotus feet. I want to drink of your food bathing water." Then one leg came out from the whole of the tree. पेड़ के गड्ढा से गट्टे से पैर निकल करके आ गए. And that feet completely were full of leprosy, Galit Kushta. So king is thinking, how possible I wash this food feet and drink this water. Then king is thinking maybe his second next leg will be good. Then if they go king, a sadhu and give your another leg. Then another leg and more, then worse. So much dropping the juice from the leprosy from his body, from his leg. That time king is thinking what to do now. And king took that the food bathing water of the sadhu, but he did not drink. Just he touched his lips and also put on his head. then king, then sadhu gave curse to the king. Hey sadhu, you are big cheater. Eh? And you are completely duplicity and hypocrisy. You're saying one thing, but you did another thing. And you have to become snake. Eh? Snake two tongues. In the same way, and your tongues are two. Saying one thing or performing, doing another thing. Eh? That time king hold the lotus feet of sadhu and very humble and asked and crying and shedding tears told. That time sadhu's heart melted. Sadhu told, okay, listen, in Dapar Yuga, Krishna will come and perform sweet lila in the water of the Jovana. And so you will be stay in Jovana in the form of Kaliya snake, Kaliya Nag. And Krishna will deliver you and from this body, and Krishna will give his footprints on your head and this way. So this lila also, that for this lila, and Krishna appeared in Dapar Yug and performed sweet lila, that is called Kaliya Daman lila also. Now coming in this way, for this regard, and the Nagpatnis, the wife of Kaliya's wife, they also say, Kasanubhavu asva vidmahe tabang renu prasadikaro. Hilarana charo tabo jatha vihaya kamanu. In this slokas also very clearly explained. This, why Krishna, he gave his footprints on the head of Kaliya, because Kaliya he did not bhajan and sadhana. He completely heard, atheist also. But his wife, they are the devotees of Lord Krishna. So for this regard, Krishna also gave mercy to him. Kasanu Babu Aswa Deva Vidme Tabangr Renu Prasadhikar Jal Lanana Charuttava Viha Kamana Suchit Sud Jita Brata. And Lakshmi did not attain these types of haste prem. But Kaliya, she received this type. How? For this regard, also discuss these things. So, so now coming in this way, sweet Leela also discuss these things. And Krishna appeared in this Dapar Yug and in the form of Krishna, and he also gave mercy to Kaliya. Now coming in the another Leela, I also want to tell, that is called Govardhan Dharan Leela. And Krishna lifted Giriraj Govardhan and 7 days, 7 nights with his left hand and small finger. That is also behind some Leelas also is there. That especially in Ramchandra, when Lord Ramchandra, he also built the bridge over the ocean and cross the ocean and come to Sri Lanka, and then Lord Nil, Bhanar, all the monkeys, and especially Hanuman, they brought many stones, and when the bridge completed, and that Lord Ramchandra, he announced, no need to bring any stones, no need anymore. That time Hanuman, he was bringing the stone, the Giriraj stone from Himalayas. That time Hanuman, he also told, I will not take there, I have to live there. Because Ramchandra, he gave order. That time Giriraj is very humble and pray to Lord Ramchandra and Hanuman. Oh, my body is useless, I cannot serve to Lord Ramchandra. That time Lord Ramchandra told in his mind, don't worry, when I will appear in Dapar Yug in the form of Krishna, then I will perform I will perform sweet pastime with you. So for this regard, that Giriraj was staying in there in Dapar Yug, Krishna appeared and performed sweet Leela in there also. This is another Leela also. Another Leela also, there was one Rishi. What is his name? Panido Pulastya Rishi, he Mayavadi Rishi and impartial Rishi, who was staying in Kasi. And so one day he came in the house of Giriraj's father. What is his name? Um, uh, just I forget. What is the name of Giriraj's father? Um, then he was staying few days. Then Pulastya Rishi told, I have to turn back my home. That time he told, "Yeah, how can I serve you?" Then Pulastya Rishi told, oh, your son, eh? Donate your son. Eh? But Giriraj Govardhan, from his childhood, he completely what? And dedicated with the lotus feet of Krishna. He's thinking, how possible I will go Kasi with the impartial sadhu. Eh? So for this regard, he told to Pulastya Rishi, okay, if you bring to me on your hand to Kasi, then I'll go. That Pulastya Rishi, oh, this is simple. And just I take you and flew away 1 second, I will be and arrive in Kashi. But Giriraj Govardhan, he told, but listen, one condition. And on the way, when you will, hold to me, that time you should not passing water. Actually, understand? Or if you not control your passing water, but you have to live on place. Eh? But if you left that place, I will not go. These things. Eh? So that time plus Rishi, he took Giriraj Govardhan when he came in this Braj, and that time Giriraj Govardhan very humble and pray to Lord Krishna, please Krishna, and don't throw me from the Braj. And I want to stay in Braj. So by the causeless mercy of Krishna, and then Pulastya Rishi, he can't to control his passing the water urine. And that time he left Giriraj Govardhan in this Braj. Then he was passing many years. Eh? Then Giriraj, when Pulastya Rishi wake up, and from his passing, and after taking bath, that time he asked to Giriraj, come on my hand. That time Giriraj Govardhan told, oh, Santa Mahatma Pulastya Rishi, already I also, eh, you gave promise to me. Eh? So I will not go, I will not go from this place. That time Pulastya Rishi become very angry. I am your guru, you are my disciple. You don't want to listen my advice. So you will be every day one. I must say will be down, going down and work. Giriraj Govardhan no harm, but I will not go with you. So now Giriraj Govardhan is here in Braj, and Krishna, and he also fulfill all his desires to Giriraj Govardhan, especially Srimad Bhagavatam. Giriraj Govardhan Katha is topmost. Even Srimati Radhika herself, she also glorifies about Giriraj Govardhan. Srimad Bhagavatam very clearly explains. Hantaya Adriyavala Haridasa Varjo Jad Ram Krishna Charana Parsa Pramoda Manang Tanati Sahago Pagane Paniya Sujavasa Kandara Kandamulai. This is very sweet. First time Srimati Radhika herself. How Giriraj Govardhan, he serves to our beloved Krishna with his body, mind, and spirit. Actual Giriraj Govardhan, she manifested from the mind of Srimati Radhika. Manasa Prakriti Jaya. Bhavishyat Puran very clearly explain, and Giriraj Govardhan, she manifested from the mind of Srimati Radhika. And so here in this verse also Hamtaya Padri Avala Haridas Uvarjo Jad Rama Krishna Charana Sparsa Pramodo Manang Tanati Sahagopa Gani Paniya Sujavasha Kandra Kanda Mulai. And so Giriraj Govardhan, the topmost, and Giriraj Govardhan is the perfect witness of Radha Krishna's all kinds of sweet amorous pastimes. And Brijapati Bhuja Danda Satrang Bhava Padma Pratihatam Danda Garbam Atula Seli Bhuva Priyang me Nijar Nikata Nivasanam Dehi Govardhanotam Anupamani Vedi Ratna Singhasano Vajra Dorsanu Denu Sangde Surangai Savala Sakavi Sankhelan Sapriyang me Nijar Nikata Nivasanam Dehi Govardhanotam Pramodo Madana Lila Kandari Kandarete Racheti Mandam iti Asmadakun Ki Navajunurjando Osmanam Iti Ki Lakalanata Lagnanis Pastu Dayurme Nijar Nikada Nivasanam Dehi Govardhana. Pramodo Madana Lila, Gurudev intends in the cave of Giriraj Govardhan, Krishna and Gopis, especially Srimati Radhika, they perform such Pramoda Madana Lila. Madana Lila means one this, and that is called Rasa Lila also. Rasa Lila means many kinds of sweet aromas pastimes as well. So Pramoda Madana Lila Kandare Kandare Mandam. Iti Kila Kalananta Lagna Kastu Dayur me Nijra Nikata Nivasanam Dehi Govardhanatam. So Giriraj Govardhan is a topmost servitor sevak of divine Lord Radha and Krishna in this way. And Indra, Indra tried to destroy all Brajavasis, flooded with his Samvartak Megha, Megha cloud. And where this is also very past time, and because once Brajavasis, they also prepare many kinds of preparation, and and then Krishna asked to Mother Jasoda, but Mother Jasoda, she did not give answer. Then Krishna asked to Nanda Maharaj. Then Nanda Maharaj told, oh, according to our parampara, understand, tradition, we are going today. We are going to worship Indra Puja. And for this regard, we are preparing this type of preparation for Indra Puja. Then Krishna asked, Krishna asked Nanda Maharaj, who is Indra? And then Nanda Maharaj told Indra, who is the king of heaven, and he will please and he will give us the rain. Then grass will come, then all kinds of grains will come, then our cows, they will grow up. Then Krishna very humble told, Krishna is not supreme personality of God, is and Bhagavan. Maya Dakshana Prakriti Swati Sacharacharam Hetu Ananya Kontya Jagadvi Parivartate. The Prakriti nature, spontaneous giving this water and everything. And Indra is not the supreme controller. In the middle of the ocean, who is worshipping Indra? There also rain coming or not? In the middle of the forest, who is worshipping to Indra? Rain is coming in also. On the top of the mountain, rain coming or not? Who is worshipping to Indra? In this way, Krishna, he gave many jukti arguments. That time Brajavasi's mind completely changed. Krishna told, hey, Pita, father, listen. If we are Gopa Jati, so we are herding the cows. So we worship Giriraj Govardhan because cloud coming and start Giriraj Govardhan rain coming. So Giriraj Govardhan is our Ishtadeva. To bring all our preparation to Giriraj Govardhan. What to do Giriraj Govardhan? When Krishna told this, then all Brajavasis, they brought that they are all the preparation for Indra Puja and over to Giriraj Govardhan. Eh? In this way, Krishna performed sweet lila in there, and Krishna manifested another form and climbed on the top of the Giriraj Govardhan. And Krishna told the Braj, look, our Ishtadev and Giriraj, and he's appeared. Have you seen? That time all the surprised. Many years we worship Indra, but we did not see. But now we are looking how and our Ishtadev Giriraj Govardhan appeared. And then they offer all their preparation, rice, dal, sabji, everything. And Giriraj Govardhan, with his many hands, let's eat gaba go, gaba go. And also told, bring more and more and more. That is called Anorgram. Now Brajanath, he was to establish that the village there is Anor. Anor means Braj language, Anor means bring more and more and more. Eh? Then Brajavasi, they are very happy. Again, they prepared many kinds of preparation for Giriraj Govardhan offered to Krishna. And Giriraj Govardhan, it was then Krishna, very humble, told, hey Giriraj Govardhan, you satisfied with the worship of Brajavasi? Eh? Then very happy. And that time again, Krishna with his Jogmaya manifested all the preparation. Then Krishna told, take the Giriraj Maharaj, Uchista Mahaprasadam. And then all Brajavasis, they ate that Mahaprasad. And then Krishna told, we have to do parikrama, circulation. And Krishna with Brajavasis, Nanda, Jasoda, all they also circulated Giriraj Govardhan Puja. Govardhan parikrama. And then in this way, this is going on this way. Then here, one Anuchara, followers of Indra, he came in Braj and he also told to Indra, the Brajavasis, they did not worship you, they worship Giriraj Govardhan one mountain. Then Indra became very angry. Then Indra told, one small boy, cowherd boy, he told, for this regard, Brajavasis, they stopped my worshipping. Yeah. That time Indra, he became very proud. He told, I will destroy whole Braj and Brajavasi. Nare Bans, Navaji Bansuri. So he called the one cloud, that is a Samvartak cloud. Samvartak cloud means very precious cloud. And that is that rain coming. And the mainly in the time of destruction, Mahapralay. So Indra, he called that Samvartak cloud, Meg. You go to a Braj and completely also fly. Then early in the morning, big storm came. And whole direction completely dark, lightning. All the trees, they are moving this way. Then all Brajavasi, they afraid. They asked to Nanda Maharaj, hey Nanda Maharaj, and save us, bachao, bachao. Because according to the instruction of Krishna, we stop the Indra Puja. So for this Riga, Indra, he become very angry. So what will do now? Then Krishna told and pacified all the Brajavasis, don't worry. I will lift Giriraj Govardhan. Then Krishna came, Jatipura, and Krishna, when he just touched the Giriraj Govardhan going in up, and Krishna lifted Giriraj Govardhan with his left hand and small finger. Then Krishna told all Brajavasis, bring all your wealth, property, cows, Godhan, everything. They brought all their wealth, Godhan, everything. They're staying under Giriraj Govardhan. And they are dancing, singing, very nice, beautiful place area. Not hot or not cold. And also inside the Giriraj Govardhan, many kinds of jewels. For this regard, that place completely light, illuminated. No need the electricity, nothing. So all Brajavasi dancing, singing, especially gopis, Srimati Radhika and gopis, they are now coming very close to Krishna. They are very seated in Krishna and doing this lila. 7 days, 7 nights. And after 7 days, then Indra's one, Krishna told, to the one he is afraid, go, see how is Braj. Then very far he came, the Braj completely full of water. Then he took another messenger, he sent, then you go, Brijavasis, they are very happy, dancing, singing. Actually, Braj, there is no any rain. Actual Sambartak may giving the water. Then Lord Shivji, he also destroyed all the rain with his trident, they call Chakrisha. And another thing also explained this way, and Sheshnag completely was surrounded with Raj Govardhan. So for this regard, one drop is not coming in the earth of Braj. And so in this way, sweet Leela, and when Indra heard this, and that time Indra became what we do know, I committed offense to the feet of Krishna. And then he came, Indra, he came to Brahmaji. Then Brahmaji told, oh, you committed offense. I committed the same offense to Lord Krishna. Krishna is not an human boy, he's saying Bhagavan. So you have to take shelter, lotus feet of Krishna, very near and dearest person, that is called Surabhi. So Indra, he came in Surabhi Lok, Gopuram. Then he hold the lotus feet of Surabhi Mata. And with Surabhi Mata, Krishna came to Krishna, Arjuna, Arjuna Indra, Krishna and Surabhi came in Krishna. And also doing many Tapsuti. Then Krishna very pleased. Then Indra, he also worshipped Krishna. That is called Giriraj Govardhan, that is Govinda. Govinda Kunda. Actually, Indra gave this name to Krishna. Govinda. Govinda iti Govinda. Vindati means Ananditi, who gives pleasure to all the cows, Braj, Basi, these things. So Krishna, Indra, he worshipped to Gopal, Govinda. And nearby also one Kunda, the Surabhi Kunda. Indra, he also took the water from Agas Ganga with Surabhi, with elephants, Vairavat, and also worship and Govinda. Abhishek किया and with आकाश गंगा जल के द्वारा अभिषेक किया, and also other ingredients and doing many Tav Stuti. And in this way, Krishna destroyed all kinds of proud from the heart of Indra. Giriraj Dharan Lila. And especially Srimati Radhika and Gopis, 7 days they are very close to sit with Krishna. So many Leelas in India also. So and Sakhas, they also laughing, joking. Krishna told, I am holding this Giriraj Govardhan. Then Sakhas, Suval Siddham told, you are not alone holding the Giriraj Govardhan. Also we are, because Sakhas, they also, with the stick, they are supporting. Then Krishna told, okay, you are supporting, so I can also change my hand. Krishna just a little bit down his finger, left hand finger, then whole Giriraj statue. Then Srimati Radhika said, hey Giriraj Govardhan, again I will give curse. So this is the many Leelas also there. Sakkara, Bhattula and Madhurya Rasa in India. So for this regard, Giriraj Govardhan, he serves to Radha and Krishna different ways. So saying Ham Tavadri, Abala, Haridaso Varju, Sadrama Krishna, Charan Sparsa Pramod, Manang Tanati Sago Pagani, Pani Sujavasha, Kandara Kandamulai. Winter time, Giriraj Govardhan, he gives the little bit warm water. And summertime, Giriraj Govardhan, he gives the cool water. And Giriraj Govardhan, he gives so many kinds of fruits, flowers, kandamulas, and they can eat. And especially Giriraj Govardhan, he manifested one stone. That is called uh, uh, the color is coming from the Sugandha Sailai. And still that Sugandha Saila is there. Just to put the water in that stone and smeared with the fingers, then sweet kumkum color will come and sweet fragrance comes. In this way, gopis, they also put the put different gopi dots with that the Sugandha Sailai. Yes, very nice, beautiful this lila. And also Krishna perform many lila, Sakhar lila, Krishna playing one stone as like Bina, and very sweet sound coming. That is called Bhajan Sila. Still also in there, if you go to Giriraj Govardhan nearby and Anurgam, there you one stone as like Bhajan Sila. Bhajan Sila means that stone you just touch and sound coming, very nice, beautiful sound coming. That's called Bhajan Sila. And Ratna Vedi, and many things also, Gwalpukur, Ratna Vedi, and very hot. So in this way, and Giriraj Govardhan, he served sweet Leela in there. It is not charging more. So Giriraj, so we also discussed these things. And actual Giriraj Govardhan, an eternal asset of divine couple Radha and Krishna. And just doing this Leela, in this Prakat Leela, in doing this way. And because Giriraj Govardhan, two eyes as like Radha Kunda and Shama Kunda. And so many glorification about this, so for this regard. Our acharyas explain in this Vaikunt, what is called? No. Okay. Krishna performs with Vaikuntha Janito Vara Madhuri Tatravi Rath Utsavad Vindaran Madravu Pudravani Giriraj Govardhan. And the Vaikuntha Janito Vara Madhupuri. Madhupuri, mane Mathurapuri is higher than Vaikuntha. Or then the Vrindavan is higher than Mathura, because Krishna performed his sweet Rasa Lila, Panchayati Rasa Lila, Saradiya Rasa Lila in Vrindavan. Or Giriraj Govardhan is higher than Vrindavan. Why? Because Krishna performed sweet Basantik Lila. Basantik Lila on the lap of Giriraj Govardhan. Then Radha Kunda is topmost place. Radha Kunda is higher than Giriraj Govardhan. So for this regard, our Shastra saying this way, step by step of this way. Vrinda Vivrang Suram Opi Tasriman Sri Govardhanam. Vrinda Vivrang Suram Opi. Keep this book down. This copy. This book is very important. Haridas. Yeah, shloka. Vrinda Vipinam Surma Upi Tatsriman Sri Govardhanam Sarasastalika Upi Alang Rasamai King Tavadanastalai Jassa Upi Angsalavena Naharati Manaka Sam Mukundasa Tataham Pranibho Upi Adhikam Priyevadaitam Tatkunda Mevasraye. Binda Bibinang Suramobi Tasri Manasi Govardhanam. And Vrindavan. And Vrindavan also very beautiful. Binda Bibinang Suramobi. But Giriraj Govardhan is the topmost. Why? Where Rasastali Katabi, along Rasastali Kimba Annastali, you cannot compare to other place of Giriraj Govardhan. And why? Because Krishna's topmost Leela, that is called Giriraj Govardhan. And Jassa Opi Angsa Lavana Nahati Manaka Sama Mukundasya Tat. And you take one dust from Giriraj Govardhan and also compare the whole dust of other place. You cannot equal. Prane Bodhiko Priye, but Radha Kunda, Tatkunda, here Tatkunda means Radha Kunda is the topmost, it is the life and soul of Krishna. So this verse also very important. Binda Vibram Suramma Pita Srimana Sri Govardhanam Sara Swastalika Opi along Annastari in Tavadannastari. Jassa Opi Angsalavena Nahati Manakasam Mukundasa Tata Pranibu Odikang Priva Nijaitam Tatkunda Mivasri. So everybody have to take shelter, lotus feet up, and Radha Kunda, Balu Radha Kunda ki jai, jai jai Sri Radhe. And maybe next class we'll discuss about Rasa Leela Katha. Because after Giriraj Govardhan Leela, then Krishna perform sweet Leela, that is Rasa Leela Katha. Good Premanandi. If you have any question, you can ask. किसी कोई question है?